Hi, I'm Miss Walker. In this video, I will be reviewing week 2, Thursday's math page, and this is about fractions of shapes. So we're going to review fractions. Now, I am going to post some of my videos about fractions on my YouTube channel, so I'm not going to do the songs and chants, but I am going to tell you where you can find them if you choose to go look at that. So here we go. It says shade each figure to show the fraction given. Shade means to color in. All right. So this first fraction is 1/4. The number on top is called your numerator. It tells you what we are counting. So it can either be the shaded portion or the unshaded portion. In this case, we want it to be the shaded portion. The number on bottom is called your denominator. The denominator tells you how many pieces. Okay. This fraction 1/4 means that out of 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, you're going to shade in 1. So this is 1/4. Also, we know that the fraction 1/4 is a unit fraction because it has a 1 in the numerator. Let's move on to the next one. 2/3. We have 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to shade in 2. It doesn't matter where you shade them in as long as you shade in 2. Okay. This next one is 1/2. Okay. We've got 2 pieces, and we're going to shade in 1. We know that there are other fractions that are the same as 1/2. Maybe 4/8, 3/6, 2/4, 5/10. Okay. The next one is 1/6. We got to make sure we have 6 pieces because our denominator is 6. That's supposed to tell us how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I've got 6 pieces. I'm going to shade in 1. This is also a unit fraction because it has 1 in the numerator. The next one is 1/3. 1, 2, 3 pieces. We are going to shade in 1. 1/3 is also a unit fraction because there's a 1 in the numerator. On the next one, we have 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. We're going to shade in 5. On this next one, it says, tell what fraction of each shape is shaded. Remember, shaded means colored in. So we've got to tell what fraction is colored in. So on this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So 4 is my denominator. 4 goes on the bottom. There are 2 shaded in. 1, 2. So this fraction is 2/4. We also know that this is the same as 1/2. So if you have 1/2 or 2/4, you are correct. On this next one, we have 1, 2 pieces. So our denominator is 2. We have 1 shaded. So our numerator is 1. That fraction is 1/2. On this next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded. This fraction is 4/5. Moving on, we have 1, 2, 3 pieces. Our denominator is 3. And only 1 is shaded. So our numerator is 1. On our next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And we have 5 that are shaded. That fraction is 5/6. On the last one that we're shading, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So our denominator is 8. And we have 1, 2, 3 pieces that are shaded. So our numerator is 3. That fraction is 3/8. Looking at the bottom part, it says divide the square into 4 equal parts. Okay? So I'm going to cut it in half first, and then I'm going to cut my half in half. Ooh. Hopefully yours are more equal than mine because fractions have to have equal parts. All right. Then it says shade 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. What fraction of the square is shaded? Well, if we shaded 3 out of 4, our fraction is 3/4.